Hello, my wonderful people. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Okay, my people, I am going to show you how you can make popcorn at home. So those are the things that I'm going to use: my granite oil, my corn, and my turnip stick and my sugar. So I'm just going to dry up the pot and pour a little portion of cooking oil to the pot. So I just pour in my oil. Then I'm going to pour in the corn to the pot. Oh my God. Watch this video to the end and see the end. Oh my God, of this video. So I'm going to stay to circulate the corn to the pot. Then I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar because I don't like so much sugar on my popcorn. So I'm going to add just 3 tablespoons of it. Then I'm still going to continue to stir the corn. Please, anytime you go to the supermarket, make sure you buy the one that is written popcorn on it. Don't go and buy corn that I don't know. And you start saying that it does not work. So I'm going to cover the pot. I love the way it pumps up. Yes, I love the way my corn pumps up. Then I'm going to leave it for some minutes. Just go and do something for myself, do something else. So I will come back and check if my popcorn is ready. So look at the way it pumps up. I love it. Oh, I love it so much. So you are just going to cover it and leave it for some minutes. You can do something else, but make sure you check so that your popcorn will not get burned. So you just cover it and leave it, because if you don't cover it, the result that you will see, you will not like it. Now my popcorn is ready. Oh my God. So now you can serve and enjoy with your favorite drink.